In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payroll in Hubstaff. If you're responsible for managing payroll or just trying to streamline your payroll processes within your organization, this guide is for you. We'll walk through the setup step by step, ensuring clarity and efficiency in the process. Stick around to the end and you'll have everything you need to get started. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hubstaff platform. Once logged in, you should direct your attention to the upper navigation menu. Here, you'll click on the section labelled Financials. This entry point is crucial as it leads directly to where we can manage payroll settings. Once you're in the Financials section, you'll see an option labelled Get Started. Click on this to initiate the payroll setup. This step is essential because it's the gateway to entering all the necessary details to configure your payroll correctly. Clicking Get Started is like opening the door to your payroll configuration journey. With that groundwork in place, you move on to the main event. The setup process itself. You'll click on Start Setting Up. This step marks the transition from preparatory steps to actual configuration. As you set up, Hubstaff provides several customizable options. It's designed to accommodate the diverse payroll needs different businesses might have. Here, you'll be selecting from various workflow options that align best with your company's payroll cycle and criteria. It's important to consider factors like bi-weekly, monthly, or custom cycles, along with any specifics, such as preferred payment methods that suit both your company and employees. Pay attention to the payment method options. Integration with platforms like PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank deposits can seamlessly handle the financial transactions of your payroll. Take some time to identify which payment system aligns best with your current financial operations. Once you have these logistics sorted out, continue with entering employee details. This includes setting up hourly rates, salaries, or other compensation structures applicable to your team. Being thorough here ensures accuracy in your payroll calculations. Hubstaff's system allows you to clarify who gets paid what, when, and how. Precision is key to avoid any mishaps down the line. Once you've reviewed all the settings, finalize your configurations. At this stage, it's a good practice to double check all of your entries to ensure everything is correct and ready to go. And that's it. Your payroll setup in Hubstaff is complete. In summary, initiating the setup from the Financials section, choosing Get Started, configuring your specific payroll details ensures a comprehensive payroll management system that suits your organization's needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel confident setting up payroll in Hubstaff. Remember, the key is careful planning and entry to ensure smooth transactions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Enjoy managing your payroll with ease and efficiency.